Let's dive into those LDOE Accelerate materials. You can reference page 7 of your handout for a link to the LDOE Accelerate site, but also a guide for setting up a Desmos account, which we'll talk about in another video. These slide decks were created and released in the spring of 2021, so they start in later missions, and they're also being adapted and revised for a re-release in this fall. And we're going to make sure that all materials for missions 1 and 2 are at your availability, but you'll see here that it is connected to Eureka Math, which aligns greatly with our Zearn program. You'll see here that I've chosen to look through a slide deck, Module 3, Lessons 1 through 3. Again, I know Module 3 is all about multiplying with unfriendly numbers, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in the fall, I would actually use this session the week before I start this mission, because I know it's going to give my students who struggled with these grade level standards an opportunity to prepare with these prerequisite standards. So this is a tutoring session that's going to happen prior to the grade level content of these standards of Mission 3 by using some of these prerequisite standards. We're going to bring in some vocabulary. We're going to focus in on conceptual understanding and then build into some procedural skill and fluency. And they've given us some virtual manipulatives here that are hyperlinked, along with some Desmos activity sessions, which we will look at in a moment. You'll see here that the tutor notes tell you that we're actually going to bring in some of Module 1 from 3rd grade to prepare our students for Module 3. You'll notice that the format of these sessions are very similar to Zearn, starting with fluency, sometimes giving you an application problem, and other times going straight into the concept development. You'll see as I click, things pop up, and that's how this is set up, but it gives you notes in your slide deck, just like your Zearn vignette from your small group instruction. So you're always given the kind of script that you might want to follow or use for your own teaching.